my God, this thing is getting really wide, John. Look at the left edge of this thing. It's getting big. It's like...
And a good Sunday, everybody. Very, very dangerous day shaping up for the nation's Midwest as we watch tornadoes already on the ground in progress around the Peoria area and off to the northeast.
Oh, tornado right there's a tornado on the ground. There's debris on the ground. You can see that? Kicking up dust right there.
Yes, definitely. There it is, a rope tornado right there. So this is near Pontiac, Illinois?
Yep.
Which storm is this exactly, guys? I know, but I need to know which storm is this. Is this because there are about 4 of them out there that are rotating right now? This isn't the one near Dan. This isn't the Peoria cell, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see it. You can clearly see debris. Thank you very much. This is Donovan Gruner, by the way, who's shooting this video for us, which we just lost his feed.
And this is earlier.
This is the earlier picture of the Peoria tornado that actually has caused damage, especially around the Pekin, Illinois area, to multiple homes there. Damage, huge tornado there. Obviously, at one point, again, we saw reports at least for 20 minutes of a large tornado on the ground.
We are just witnessing my first tornado ever. We're just north or south of Minoka. This thing was 4 separate ones, and now it's turned into one big one. Jim's trying to get us the hell out of the way as fast as he can. Oh my God, this thing is huge. And it's coming fast. Okay, this is as close as I ever want to get. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, it's huge. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. Oh my word. Look at all the crap that's in it. We are going right past it. We need to get past it. We're just going underneath it, actually. Oh my God. You can feel the temperature change. We're getting hit with some hail, some debris.
Travis.
Johnny, 3121. Shut the fuck up, Dirt. Johnny County, 3121. Alright, we're seeking shelter right now. Let's get on our back. Let's go, Mike. In the room. Put the videotape. Mike, get in the fucking room. I'm not saying it again. Let's go. You can videotape, get out of weather.